2. I was always a really quiet kid, even as a toddler apparently. So one of the first times I remember losing my shit was when I got really tired of this third grader picking on me on the bus. I was in kindergarten and this kid kept popping his head over my seat and poking me. I timed it out and the next time he did I punched him straight in the nose, which he immediately started bleeding and crying. I didn't know it at the time but apparently the kid's parents tried to get some disciplinary action against me. That was until they found out I wasn't the same age or older. They just didn't want to make a big stink out of their kid getting bitch slapped by a kindergartner. 3. It was Halloween night, and I was sitting out in the front of my house watching my sister take my niece, who was around 4, trick-or-treating. The people who lived above us decided to shoot a firework at them. This is the only time I've lost my shit. Got them inside the house to make sure they were alright.